farming and rural livelihoods using the CS perspective. Human flourishing means technology should improve people's lives, not only economically, but also socially and ethically. In agriculture, machines like tractors, harvesters, and threshers are used to solve problems such as low productivity and labor shortage. While these machines improve efficiency, they also affect people in farming communities.
There are agricultural problems. Before mechanization, farming relied on manual labor. Farmers worked long hours planting and harvesting by hand. This required many workers, was physically exhausting, and delay could lead to crop losses. Mechanized farming helped solve these problems by making tasks faster and more efficient, allowing farmers to manage larger land areas.
Contribution to well-being. Mechanization improves well-being by increasing productivity and food supply. It reduces physical effort and helps farmers save time. Higher yields can also lead to better income and more sustainable livelihoods.
Technological paradox. However, technology also brings challenge. This called the technological paradox. While machines improve efficiency, they can reduce the need for workers. Many rural laborers depend on farm jobs, so mechanization may lead to unemployment.
Social and economic impacts. Mechanization can increase inequality since large farmers can afford machines while small farmers may struggle. It can also reduce cooperation in communities because fewer workers are needed.
Guiding technology. To support human flourishing, training programs can help workers learn new skills. Machine sharing system can also support small farmers. Policies should balance productivity and social well-being.
In conclusion, mechanized farming improves efficiency but also create challenges. With proper guidance, it can support both progress and the well-being of communities. And that's all. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Pinakabulis.